In this video, we'll be exploring how to use the built-in D2L templates to create formatted documents in your D2L content. First, you will want to navigate to the Content tab in your D2L course. Next, navigate to the module where you will want to create the content. Next, you'll choose Create New. In the following window, you will select the page icon, which is the second icon on the first line. Don't confuse this with the New Lesson, which is the first item. When selected, a new window will open. This is where you will edit elements of the new page you are creating. Make sure to give the page a title name. For this example, I will choose the blank template. I can then add or paste in information that I will need. When you are done editing the template, select Save and Close at the bottom. If you need to return to your document at any point to edit it, make sure the document is displayed and go to the three-dot More menu in the top right of the document window. In the menu, choose Edit. A new window will open that has the page title box, due date box, and the HTML edit window. Besides using the blank template to create a document, you have a couple other template choices to start a new document. These include an intro template, a module intro template, Meet Your Facilitator template, a basic page template, a video lecture template, and a conclusion template. There are also templates available that you can copy specific elements from to help format your page. You could choose the Elements template, which has a lot of items that you can copy and add to your file. You could also choose other templates that focus on specific formatting items, like images, accordions, tabs, and so on. Let's try this by choosing the Elements template and copying the large number list element. We do this first by finding the element we want to copy. We then highlight from the Start Copy through the End Copy of that element. We enter Control-C on our keyboard in Windows or Command-C on a Mac. Then we navigate back to the document that we want to insert the copied element into. We then select Edit HTML, put our cursor where we want the list to be, and enter Ctrl-V on our keyboard in Windows or Command-V on a Mac. If we wanted to add more items to the numbered list we just inserted, we would simply put our cursor at the end of the previous one and choose Return or Enter on our keyboard. And now we have another numbered item. We can also just backspace and delete numbered items if we don't need as many as listed here. Lastly, we would then delete the start copy text and the end copy text. Once we are done with our edits, we want to make sure to save and close. And now we have added the new element into our document. That ends our tutorial on how to use the D2L templates. Thanks for watching.